Hi everyone, I'm Chef Jade with Syntrax Eats, and I'm going to show you how to make some guilt-free mashed potatoes packed with lots of flavor and protein. Okay, first you're going to skin 1 pound of potatoes and fill a pot with water and boil them for about 15 minutes until you can pierce them with a fork. After you drain the potatoes, you'll want to mash them in a large bowl. Okay, so now I'm going to add the butter, milk, garlic powder, and Syntrax Nectar Medical, 1 scoop. I like to use the Nectar Medical because it is tasteless in food. Okay, and lastly, we're going to add salt and pepper to your liking. Give it some taste, and then we'll top it with green onions. And now you have some guilt-free, nutritious mashed potatoes.